students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about
the chapter The Diary of a Space Traveler. Satyajit Ray has written this chapter. This is the part of story The Spaceman's Diary. Professor Shonku, he goes to space with his servant Prahlad, his cat Newton and his robot Vidushekhar, and he pens down his experiences in a diary. The same we are going to read here. Tarak Chatterjee, he got diary of Professor Trilokeshwar Shonku, and according to him, he found this diary when a big meteorite fell in Matharia district in Sundarbans. In his diary, Professor Shonku has written his experiences. On 2nd Jan, he written that he was very anxious for his travel to space, but as the date of departure was getting closer, he was getting more and more nervous. His first attempt was failed because of Prahlad, his servant. Prahlad moved the arms of clock while winding it, and as it is a complex project, so every second matters in such cases. So that is why the rocket, it rose, but it fell again with a loud thud. On 5th January, Professor Shonku is writing that Prahlad, he is a fool, but still he wants to take him to space along with him, because no doubt he is slow and foolish, but still he has more courage than the clever ones. He never feels scared because he is not having the reasons. So Prahlad, he has shared one incident that once a small lizard, it fell from the ceiling on the bottle of an acid, that was bicarbonic acid, and that lizard overturned it. And when Professor Shonku was watching everything, and he felt it very helpless moment, that lizard, it was converted to ashes by that strong acid. But when Prahlad entered the room, he easily cleaned all those ashes of the lizard, and it was very normal thing for him. So because of all this, he wants to carry Prahlad with him to the space, because he has no reason to feel scared until and unless he knows anything about the event. Next, on 8th January, he decided to take Newton, his cat, with him, because she was making sounds pathetically. Then on 10th January, Vidushekhar the robot, he started making strange noise like a groan. And Vidushekhar, he even tried to examine, but he didn't find any reason for his noise. On 11th January, he again noticed that robot Vidushekhar was making sudden sounds. So he tried to examine it. He dismantled Vidushekhar, but he didn't find anything, any reason for his groaning. On 21st century, they left the earth 7 days ago, and this time everything was positive, nothing was wrong, and Newton, the cat, was watching outside from the window. The sky was black, and there was endless bright luminous stars and planets. Vidushekhar has nothing to do. Prahlad, as he was unknown about all these things, he has no knowledge of space or science, so he was just busy in reading Ramayana, Mahabharata and other holy epics. And they can see Mars, that was looking like a grapefruit from the window. And suddenly an extraordinary thing happened, that Vidushekhar, he observed, he rushed to the control panel. He just pulled the handle back, and the rocket was in reverse motion, and everybody lost the balance. And Professor Shonku, he somehow managed to get up, and he pressed the button of Vidushekhar's left shoulder and just turned him off. And when they landed on Mars, only then he switched him on back. They observed that the trees, the ground, stones, rocks, everything was very soft on Mars, and it was feeling like a rubber and quite opposite of what we see on Earth. And water was of red color, but he didn't drink that water. And suddenly he saw that Newton was drinking water, and he felt bold to drink it. And it was tasting like ambrosia. Ambrosia is the drink of Greek gods leading to longevity. We can call it Amrit in Hindi. And one sip was enough to wipe out even the sign of physical and mental tiredness. So, still Bidushekhar was a cause of concern for Professor Shanku, because since he has turned him on, but he was not giving any movement. So that was the thing of concern, because during the journey when Bidushekhar, he rushed to the control panel and pulled the handle back and he reversed the rocket, and that time he just turned him off. And now when he turned him on, later on he was not moving anymore. So that was the thing of concern for him. So this is all about the story till page number 149. Next part we will continue in next video.
If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.